respected teachers and dear friends. Today I am going to talk about nest of weaver birds. Do you know who is a weaver? Weaver is someone who weaves fabrics. So weaver birds are tropical birds known for their ability to weave nests for themselves. These birds have a strong conical beak which they use to cut blades of grass. Weaver nests are usually made up of sticks, grass or grass blades. These birds usually use their bills to make their nests. Sometimes they use their feet to hold a part of the leaf blade and the beak to tie knot from the other end. In this way, they make their nest more secure. In fact, these are the only birds known for the ability to tie knots. Baya weaver are best known for their hanging retort-shaped nest, whereas the sociable weaver nest resemble a haystack hanging on the tree. The entrance of their nest mostly faces downwards and is narrow to prevent predators from attacking them. It also saves them from heat and cold. The males are the main weavers, leaving females with the responsibility of selecting the breeding partner. So, in brief, I can tell that the weaver bird spends an incredible amount of time and energy making their elaborate nest, but the results are worth it. It is amazing that a bird using only its beak can weave something so intricate that one could never reproduce with their own hands. Lastly, I would like to tell you that a weaver bird is an architect, construction engineer, and a site foreman all rolled into one. Thank you.